In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meet Now in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to set up a quick impromptu meeting or connect with your colleagues efficiently, using the Meet Now feature in Microsoft Teams is a fantastic way to facilitate those instant gatherings. Let's dive into the process and make it as smooth as possible. Firstly, you will need to start by signing in to Microsoft Teams. This is the initial step where you navigate to the Teams sign-in page. If you're using a web browser, enter your login details and make sure you've got your credentials handy. It's important to have the latest version of Microsoft Teams installed, as this ensures you're accessing all the latest features and security updates. Once you've successfully signed in, you're greeted by the main dashboard or interface of Teams. Here you might already see various options depending on past interactions or settings. For our focus, look towards the chat section. Select the group chat that is relevant or suitable for your meeting. This is a crucial step because you need to ensure the participants you'd like to meet with are included in that group chat. After selecting your group chat, focus your attention on the Meet Now option. This is typically located at the upper right corner of the chat window. It's represented by a small camera icon. Clicking this initiates an immediate meeting session. This feature is highly beneficial when you require real-time communication without the need for prior scheduling. Having the ability to instantly transition from a chat to a video meeting can significantly enhance your workflow and collaborative efforts. As your next step, ensure your video and audio settings are correctly configured before you officially start the meeting. You can do this by checking if your microphone and camera are toggled on. This step ensures all participants can see and hear you clearly, which is critical for effective communication. Once everything is set up, you can invite additional participants by sending them the meeting link. Simply copy the link generated for the Meet Now session and share it with anyone who needs to join. This flexibility allows for adding attendees on the fly, accommodating those last-minute inclusions. And there you have it, you've now successfully used the Meet Now feature within Microsoft Teams. Remember, the key to getting the most out of your meetings is ensuring everyone's prepared and that your settings are optimized for the best communication possible. This way your virtual meetings will be as efficient and effective as they can be. Thank you for watching and see you in the next guide.